some reason, bigla ko na lang, diba magsascan ka ng mga photos mo, and then you're just laughing alone.
Yeah.
You're smiling at yourself, parang, tapos ma-realize mo, loka-loka dito. Yung mga ganun akong moments. So parang, nakakatuwa yung mga anak ko eh.
Right. So you were talking about, sometimes there's this perception that motherhood, especially in the early months, it's daunting, diba? So we want to ask, how do you get the strength post-delivery? Kasi, napakahirap yun eh.
Yes. Yes. Alam natin yan. I think it really helps a lot when you have a good support system. That's with your husband is always there with you, your friends, your family. And at the same time, for me, nakatulong yung nakaka-relate ako sa mga nagbo-blog about our condition. Like, I was the first time sa CS na delivery. So, hindi ako maka-recover pa. Paano ba to? Ako lang ba to? Maarte lang ba ako? That parang all of a sudden, I feel so many things inside me.
So, your last is here?
Yes. So, parang ang dating sa akin, umaarte lang ba ako?
Yeah.
Or is this a normal feeling? Or may
alone?
nga muna. Chumika nga tayo sa mga ibang na CS, and then I found out you also, and then si Gladys, and then all of a sudden, I felt good na, okay, now I am really, really a mom. I experienced delivering ng normal, and I experienced delivering ng CS. Kung may pangatlo pa, malamang may experience ko siya. Hopefully, wala nang pangatlo na CS ako or something. But in every experience na I go through with my delivery, it's always parang life-changing.
Right.
That moment that you know for yourself that you're delivering a child.
A human being.
A human being. Parang ang napaka-amazing naman ito. I have a human being inside me for 9 months and you've been taking care of both of us.
Yes.
And now, they're finally out. And I'm going to raise these children to very good religious people. And parang that alone empowers you to be a woman and yun na yung essence mo eh. All of a sudden, my purpose in life is it has been changed totally, and at the same time, yung purpose ko ngayon, I am driven to raise my children as much as I could, na mas maayos at mas masaya yung gano'n. I don't want them to experience any stress, yung ganyan.
Ang absolute na pagkananay, no?
Diba?
Like, it really changes everything about you.
Yes.
So let's just say there are moms who are first-timers or second-timers, the CS, natural. What is your message for all of these moms who are kind of like looking, remember you were saying earlier that you felt a little bit like, check in about experiences, but now they're looking to you. What would your message be?
Before, when I got pregnant with Lucio, I was very nervous. And then I realized, why? Bakit ako kailangan nervyusin? Hindi ba dapat ito yung pinakamagandang moment na ma-treasure ko buong buhay ko? Because finally, I'm going to find... Masyado nagdagdagan sa akin. Hello, ayan. Finally, na-experience ko na yung napag-uusapan ng mga kaibigan kong mga mommies na how they got pregnant, their journey of being pregnant for 9 months, the cravings and everything. For all the first-time moms, you just enjoy the ride. Really just enjoy the ride. If you're the type of person to blog about it, it's a nice idea to write it down, and it's always nice to look back. Diba? Yung mag-reminis ka ng pinagdaanan mo kung gaano ka ka-picky sa pagkain, kung gaano ka ka-arte sa amoy. Yung mga gano'n, yung akala mo hindi siya totoo, but it happens pala talaga.
You only believe it once it's happening to you.
Yes, and ikaw mismo, you're questioning yourself, oh my God, totoo pala to. Yung pinagdaanan ko sa movie namin ni Rhina Kasal-Kasali, biglang all of a sudden, nangyayari siya sa akin, parang, may camera ba? May nag-action ba? Yung parang iniisip ko, I've done this before, deja vu ba ako? It's always a good experience. Being pregnant, delivering another person, parang, it makes you accept and it makes you grateful.
Right.
Being a woman.
Yeah.
Diba? Yung validity mo bilang isang mommy, it's just amazing how God created you to be like that.
Right. Wow, how inspiring. Pero, nauupi pa kayo?
Sorry, may kasama pala tayo dito. Good afternoon po.
Pero dito talaga ang mommies pag nagsimula na magsalita.
Oo, diba?
But I'm sure that so many, moms-to-be will look at your message or hear the message and feel inspired. No, if you want to blog about it, I wish I blog.
Me too. Actually, kaya ako siya nasabi ngayon because
Sana, no?
yes, hindi po ako magaling magsulat, hindi ako magaling magsalita ng hindi ako magaling sa kung ano pa mang pwede sa computer. Yun. But how I wish I have the talent like yours that, you have so many words and you can just voice it out what you feel, what you think. Kasi ang sarap na talagang balikan.
Tapos your kids, when they're grown up, they get to read it.
Pinakamaganda like with Johan, I think it's, blogging about your journey of being pregnant is the greatest gift that you could give to your daughters. Para lang, at least they have an idea on what you went through. Not because kinukonsensya mo sila, but just because you're sharing kung ano yung magandang proseso ng pagiging isang babae. And of course, they also take care of themselves as well.
Right. These are such, great words from a mom, and I hope that somebody will find, inspired.